If you can hear what sounds like a T-Rex in mating season, that is just my toddler having a meltdown the size of Hurricane Katrina. So I'm just waiting, just sitting here waiting for her to be quiet. She was trying to help me do the dishes and she was spilling everywhere. So happy Friday to me. Hi guys, how are you?
You don't forget your first love. We were young and wild, we were up all night. You don't forget that summer sun 2009. We were feeling high, and I got drunk for the first time. I thought I was cool.
If you guys have been putting off cleaning your houses the entire week, then I hope this video gives you the motivation you need to get it cleaned. So let's get started. Hey Alexa, play dance music. Hey everyone, so I want you to take a deep breath right now. Inhale and exhale all of the stresses from your week. It is the weekend, so it's your time to take whatever measures for rest and relaxation you need. I am so glad to have you at my channel. If you clicked on this video, you are probably looking for some motivation for yourself. So I hope this gives you just that. So grab your favorite snack or a glass of wine and enjoy watching me clean. For this magazine holder, I saw it on one of my favorite YouTubers' videos, and I thought it was the perfect thing to put my computer and computer cords in. It's just nice to have a place where it's all contained, and that way every time I go to look for it, it should be in its correct place. Recently, I've been having Kelsey, my daughter, help me with chores. She loves to vacuum, but of course I had to go in after her and do it again just in case she missed anything. You really don't realize how much stuff is laying around your house until you actually go to clean it, and then you're like, how did that get there? My husband leaves the most random things in the most odd places. I always find random power tools in my bookshelves or on the couch or in the bathroom. It's so weird. Does this happen to anyone else? I read a quote once that said, cleaning with a toddler is like having a blender without a lid. And now I totally understand that quote. So this goes out to all my moms out there who are trying to organize and get your house in order while there is a crazy monkey jumping everywhere. I feel ya. Thankfully, my husband came home and was able to occupy Kelsey while I finished up cleaning everything in the living and dining area. I love seeing it all come together. It's so satisfying. I picked up a few things for Valentine's Day, and this candle is from Home Goods. I loved the lid on this. I thought it was so girly and perfect for the month of love.
Don't go messing with my heart if you care at all. Don't go wasting what we got.
I also got a garland for my fireplace, which was by the brand Opal House, and they have a few different ones for Valentine's Day if you guys are looking for something similar. They are $10, so I didn't think it was a bad price, and I just love the way it looked. It added a little bit of festivity around our living room.
Between concrete walls, there's a place for us where we could go, where we could be alone. Between city lights, we don't have to hide. I wanna go, do you wanna follow? There's something in the air, I can't explain it, but it's there. Ain't nobody gonna find us in our secret love affair. I don't wanna have to hide no more, it shouldn't be unfair.
I got a new plant for my shelf, which is from Burlington, and that was only $7. These decorative beads are from Hobby Lobby, and they are under $10. I had most of everything else. For Valentine's Day, I did add an apothecary jar to the middle and filled that up with my favorite peanut M&Ms. Those peanut M&Ms in that apothecary jar may or may not be gone already. Don't judge me.
Do you wanna follow? I can't understand why we can't hold hands, but they don't know what we have is real love. Aren't you sick and tired?
Here is what my living room looks like after everything is cleaned up. It seriously feels so much better. I have a weight off my shoulders. I'm going to be adding more Valentine's Day decor, but I'll put that in a different video, so stay tuned for that. As usual, if you have questions about any of the items that you see in my house, just leave me a comment or write me on Instagram and I'll try and get back to you. Now I need to move on to my kitchen because it is an absolute mess and it needs my attention ASAP.
You don't forget your first love. We were young and wild. We were up all night. You don't forget.
Do you ever feel like you blink and your kitchen is a disaster? I wish it was the opposite, where you could blink and it's just automatically clean. That would be the ideal situation, but for me, that is not the case. This took a while to get done. My husband had a lot of people over recently, so one thing led to another, and this is what I'm working with. So I'm gonna start by getting the dishwasher unloaded. That way I can put new dishes in there. Shout out to these Costco baking mats. They are amazing. They have them there for I think $12.99, and they work so well. My soap ran out, so I needed to fill it back up. I like that it has a pump. It's just a lot easier. And then I got these new gloves that I'm trying out today, and I like that they're silicone and they have a textured bottom on the palm of your hand, so it's supposed to wipe out all of the nasty stuff from your dishes. So I'm gonna test them out and see how I like them. All of my silverware because I feel like the dishwasher doesn't get it completely clean unless I do this, but I do love this dishwasher, especially because I like that the top has a place that pulls out where you can put all of your utensils and larger knives. It's super helpful. On to the next area to tackle. I gotta get these countertops cleaned up and cleared off because they're driving me crazy. It's so satisfying editing this and seeing it all wiped away. I really do wish it was that easy. I feel like everyone knows this already, but a tip, if you don't know, is to keep an extra garbage bag at the bottom of your garbage can. That way, whenever you're switching them out, you don't have to go to your garage or your pantry or wherever to get another one. It'll already be there. This bowl has become a random keep-all, unfortunately. It's supposed to be just for fruit, but somehow some avocados, a light switch, post-it notes got in there. So I'm going to clean this all out and put just the essentials. I don't know where to keep my fruit, so if you guys have any other suggestions, please let me know down in the comments.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies.
One of my favorite parts about cleaning the kitchen is cleaning the sink at the end when all of the dishes are out of it. I like putting soap in there, watching the water run down, and just seeing it sparkle.
Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know.
And then on the other hand, my least favorite part is cleaning the stove. I really do need to deep clean this oven soon. It's honestly probably one of my least favorite chores ever.
I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep.
We love this paper towel holder so much. We got it at Costco a few years ago, but I'm pretty sure they still have it. And it's under, I think, $15, and it has held up so well. There's nothing more satisfying than seeing your dishwasher full and ready to go in for a wash. Of course, I had to wipe the outside down because it always gets very dirty. And then after that, it's basically going around my kitchen, cleaning off everything, the counters, wiping down different areas, my coffee machine, my cake stand. It is quite the process. I get my straws from IKEA, and the container is also from IKEA. I like that it's contained and in one place. I had to spruce up my kitchen a little bit for Valentine's Day, so I got these kitchen towels that are so girly and cute. These were at HomeGoods for $6.99. I keep an essential oils diffuser by my sink, and I fill it generally with fresh scents. So in this case, I was doing orange and lemon today. I love the way it makes my kitchen smell every time I walk in. And then I switched out my old plant because it was definitely on its last leg, and my girlfriend Mariah gave me this plant when she moved back home to Virginia, so now it's just a really special plant to me. I sat this right next to my kitchen sink so that I could look at it every day and think of her. And here is the after of my kitchen. I love having a clean space. There's nothing that feels better. It really does put me in a better mood, gets my day off on the right foot, and I'm pretty sure you guys agree with me. So definitely give this a thumbs up if you did like seeing the transformation. Okay, so you know the drill. Now it's your turn to go clean your guys' houses. Let me know if you guys clean this weekend or if this gave you some inspiration to get it done. Thank you for watching, you guys. I appreciate every one of you, and I'll see you in my next video on Wednesday. Bye!